there she is. Oh, okay. All the trees got in the way as soon as I said that. Those darn trees just jumped right in the way.
August Drive.
There she goes. Oh, welcome.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
We aren't the only people that are a little early. At least there's a few people in front of you. Ow. I mean, I know I could help you, but I'm busy recording. What? Alright, now we got through there.
Mile, turn left toward August Drive.
Alright, we got it. There she is. All traffic that way. We're gonna go drop off our suitcase. Alright, well, that's it for now. I'll record later, in a little bit. So we drove around and dropped our suitcase off, and then we came to, what, parking lot 3 to come over here and park after we paid our fee. This is a very, very easy port. Very non-intimidating port, in my opinion. Because it's small. Goodness, we are finally getting on the doggone ship. It is, let's see, what time is it? Yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock. We've been sitting and waiting, and my husband keeps dropping stuff. There you go. We've been sitting and waiting in there forever. Oh, we're on the ship. Praise the Lord. Say hi, Gary. Oh, goodness. I don't think we're going to fit on that one. Alrighty then. They want everybody in a better mood. Getting on the elevator. Oh, do not enter. Guess what we're doing? Here, I'll get the door. Since you're, apparently it doesn't stay. It's gonna fall shut. Our room should be ready since we're platinum. We are in G1. So here we go. Anybody need a pen? Yeah, it's nice. Smells new.
Hello, madam. What's your recording number?
G1.
Okay, welcome on board.
Thank you. Here we go. I'm excited to see this. Yeah.
All right, you come first.
Okay.
I have this. Okay, of course. Let you go in.
Okay. Vanity. This is pretty neat. Pretty nifty. They got the blinds down. Cool. Little seating area over here. Nice big TV. All garbage must be disposed in the appropriate bins provided on board. Well, that's good. This the pole that I just ran into is padded. so that's good. Safe. There's some storage shelves and drawers. Oh, do it. Look, they're going up. Cool. Well, I was going to show the closet, but I'll do that in a minute, so let me shut that back. Here, let me come over here. This is nice. I just kind of want to back up further so I can get more of a better view here. What button did you push? This one right here? This? Oh, okay. That's not a button. Neato.
We ask that you please pay attention to this important video.
And here's the view out the window.
Inside your stateroom.
Yeah, I'm not hating this at all. This is amazing.
Familiarize yourself with the ship's
To just sit right here in the chairs and
location of muster station.
look out, sit on the bed. Huh? You got the USB ports and the lamp over there. This is really nice. I mean, oh, like it would be so cool. I mean, not that I want to storm or anything, but you know, if it were storming and you sit here and watch it, that would be really neat. Okay, so here's the closet I was going to show in just a minute ago. It's large. Like, they're wider. I like the double hangers. Or rods, I mean. Got the robes. Full length mirror here.
Yeah, because you can stand back.
Uh-huh. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Let's check that out.
If you're traveling with a child and you've not yet received a children's life jacket,
Did you make that noise or did the door?
The door did.
Oh, the bathroom.
just follow these easy steps. Place the life jacket over your head around your neck with the reflective tape and leather of your muster station facing outward. Pass the strap around your back and secure the buckle to the front ring.
There's the, that's nice. You get this little set. It's cool. Because, you know, you also have the shampoo and shower. Shampoo gel, and I mean shampoo, I can't even talk. Shampoo and shower gel in the shower, but then you get this extra stuff too. So that's nice. This is so nice. I love it. The door sounds, oh, it's funny. So let's see. Drawers. There's the hair dryer. We got 2 plugs there. You got your Euro plug and 2 USB port plugs here. And then our luggage is in the way. There's our refrigerator. Nice. Okay, so both lamps have 2 USB ports where you can charge all your devices. That's so awesome. Light. Okay, it's the overhead. Does the overhead lights. Okay, I kind of love this room. This is so, I mean, look at this view. Look at the windows. It's crazy. I love it. This is really nice. And there's only 2 rooms like this on this ship. So are you playing with that?
Yeah, I don't know what all it does.
So there's auto and there's manual. And we like it to be super duper duper cold in here.
As cold as it is.
Okay. And there's no vent thingy on the ceiling, like, you know, like it normally has for the air.
You feel there?
Never leave smoking materials.
Well, that's stupid. Where's the air come from?
Do not keep any personal belongings or
What?
towels on balconies when you are not in your stateroom.
It comes out of here? Yeah, I can feel it.
Do not use unauthorized
In here?
heating appliances with electrical heating coils such as
I can see it getting pretty warm in here, though, if you keep those windows open a lot.
other open flame items are strictly
Let's turn
prohibited.
this off.
It's like somebody broke it already.
Okay, so I'm going to have to do this again. See this mirror? Standard mirror, right? Hit this little switch, and look how it lights up all around it. That's so neat. bright. I love it.